Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Acti video. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that I've been having an excessive crank rough start. And I've done a lot of different things to try and resolve that issue, and none of it has really helped. Alright, so if this is your first time tuning in, just to give you an idea of what we're dealing with here, so I will turn the truck on, let the fuel pump prime, and then you'll hear how it sounds, what it's trying to crank up. Okay, now for comparison's sake, I'm going to show you how it starts up fluttering the gas pedal, the difference that makes. Today I'm going to be looking at the carburetor and checking, seeing if my solenoids are actually operating properly. Somebody had asked in a previous video how my engine cover opens up after I did the bed liner, if there's any problems with it. And yeah, no, not really. It opens up perfectly fine. Okay, so here we can see the wires for our carb solenoid. So the black, with the black cover is the fuel, and the green cover is for the air. So yeah, we're gonna test those and see if they're working right. So we can just pop these out and should even potentially be able to get a source of power from under here with the alternator. What we will be listening for is an audible click as soon as we touch these to power. So we can touch the solenoid contacts to this. The hell? Okay, whew. Should be able to bridge something between those two. Now we've got our air solenoid here. Oh. Ow. Whew. Very quiet click. It's clicking a little bit. Let's take this cover off. Plug this fuel back in, clean it up. Definitely had a bit of corrosion on it, so I'm cleaning it up. You can see where I've cleaned it and where it's corroded. Hopefully that helps make a more solid connection. Because I mean, I do hear it clicking when we touch it to 12 volts, so I mean, it's not a very loud click, but it is engaging. So definitely cleaning these connection points can't hurt. Go ahead and turn the truck over and see if that made a difference. Super weird development. Relay that lets you know your key's still in the ignition. That is the first time it's ever let me know. Wow. That is bizarro. That is literally the first time I've ever heard that kick on since I've owned the truck. Wow. Wow, that doesn't even make any sense. Why did that suddenly now work? Huh. Okay, and then now it's not working. So according to the owner's manual, the chime is located right up behind the gauge cluster. So really, really strange that that intermittently received power. Alright, so it is the next day. The truck has sat overnight. To give this video a finite conclusion, I want to do one more cranking test with the truck having sat overnight. Alright, so that took 2 cranks to come on. So I guess a slight improvement, but still it's not starting up, you know, firing right away where it needs to be. So the journey continues. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one.